Good morning from BMW South Lakes. Part 2 of the M2 preparation story. So just collected the car from the wheel place. So if you remember in the part 1 of the video we had black diamond cut wheels. So these wheels have now been in the acid bath, stripped back to bare metal and powder coated gloss black. So we've lost the diamond cut, makes it a much more kind of durable finish. One thing we did find when we stripped the wheels back is one of the tyre pressure monitor sensors was damaged, so we've replaced that with a brand new sensor as well. So weren't quite expecting that, but hey hey. And if you also remember, we had winter tyres on the car, so we've now fitted the summer tyres on the car, and the winter tyres are currently in the boot. The car will now go into the workshop for its approved used car check, so they will check over the car, make sure everything's fine. I think it's about 150 points it needs to go through. Whilst it's in there, we will also replace the chrome grille with a black grille. And the other thing we'll do is, I don't know if you noticed, but obviously during the refurbished process we've lost the M badge. So in that little well there sits the BMW M badge. So we will replace those M badges as well. So I've said quite a short video for today, and I look forward to bringing you the final car. Thank you very much. Bye for now.